see from the title, I know I look crazy, but I'm at work. This is a video for me prepping for my Jamaica trip. So right now I'm going to go pick up my glasses, because y'all know I am kind of like, I'm not gonna say blind because your words have power, but you know, I can't really see like that. And they were telling me that my glasses weren't going to be ready until like the 23rd, but look at God, but God. So I'm going to go pick up my glasses, and then after that I have a wax appointment. That's probably TMI, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost on my way to Jamaica. I am about to go get a wax. For the girls that get it, they get it. The girls that don't. But yes, y'all, this is still a part of the preparation, you know, of going to Jamaica, man. Yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all, you know, and I'm starting to love my little glasses. Let me put them on. Hold on, let me show y'all. I'm starting to like them, you know. It's different, but I'm starting to like it. So I'm going in here to go get my wax. My appointment is at 10 and it's 9:55. It's a rainy day here in Atlanta, Georgia. But yeah, y'all, hope y'all are enjoying this video. The next thing I'm gonna show y'all is how to pack that bag, baby. How to pack that bag. I'm so happy, y'all. So y'all, I am here to get my test done. So yeah, I'm about to go inside.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, y'all, so I'm leaving Best Buy right now. I had to go in there and get some stuff for my camera. I had to get some film for like my Polaroid camera, and as y'all can see in the last clip, oh my bad, I went to go get my nails did, and now I'm about to head back to the house. Let me prop this up. Oops, look, if you see dust, mind your business. But I'm about to head back to the house and then pack my bags. I have a Shein haul that I need to record, so you'll probably see that before this video because it's about to be dark and I do not want to do that video in the dark. So I hope you all I was tongue twisted. I hope you all are enjoying this video thus far, and yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I finally made it home. As you all can see, I am packing and prepping for my Jamaica trip. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you all how I usually pack when I go out the country. You want to be very strategic when you packing when you go out the country, and especially because I'm going to be there for a week or so, or you know, it just depends. But I'm packing for a week, and yeah, we're just gonna go through this thing, and I'm gonna just show you all what's in my bag and what I like to pack when I'm going out the country. So yeah, so first of all, you need to get you a nice size suitcase. I don't know if you all can really tell how big the suitcase is, so I'll pick it up. This is a nice size suitcase. It's my mom's suitcase. She let me use it. So right now, first what I'm going to start off with is at the bottom. I always feel like it's best to put your shoes at the bottom, because your shoes, you know, they can go at the bottom and then you can place your clothes on top of shoes, because you know shoes are the thicker thing. So yeah, I also have skates that I'm bringing. So what I'm going to do with my skates is I'm probably going to put them in my check bag that I'm bringing on. I mean, not check bag, but my carry-on, because I don't really think it's smart to put these in here. So yeah, so I have some heels, clear heels. You always want to have you a pair of clear heels, child, or clear heels in general. I take off my glasses because I don't want the reflection coming off of it. But yeah, pack you some heels. So I'm gonna put my heels like this on the side, and then I have like about 4 pair of shoes. So I have some sandals, brown sandals. Always gotta keep you a pair of brown sandals. So because these are like thin, you can put them on the sides. I have another pair of sandals. These are like a creamy white kind of sandal. So it's good to just pack them on the side, you know, and then sometimes you can stick them, like have them on top of each other. I also have a black pair. I'm gonna put that on top of the other pair. And then I have some swim shoes. Put them on the bottom. Then I have some sandal heels. So I'll put those under the other, put those to the side. And then well, not lastly, but I have some pink sandals. And then I have some shoes for when I go ATVing. So I have the shoes. Okay, yeah. So I have the shoes in there. I don't know if y'all can see. Probably gonna have to rearrange some of this stuff, but I feel like with packing, it's a trial run. You just gotta test everything out and see how you gonna get it in there. So yeah. So I also went and got me, this is my toiletry bag. Says don't worry, be happy. You see, so cute. So this is where I'm gonna put all of my stuff, like my makeup wipes, face stuff, all that. So I'm gonna put like my, you know, face stuff in there. I'm gonna pack all that up, and then when I pack that up, I'll show you all. Okay y'all, so I am finally done. My bad if it's kind of choppy and I couldn't really show y'all everything. Let me turn this light down. But yeah, y'all, I'm finally done. I packed up everything in here, y'all. Every single thing. It's so heavy. I hope it don't go over the weight limit. But yeah, y'all, this is how you pack. I got everything in nice little order. Got everything in here, y'all. So just praying that all this, you know, is cool. And yeah, got everything together. And yeah, we're gonna make it work. So this is how you prepare for Jamaica. See y'all when I get there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.